We, Jiangzhou CNC Machine Tool Manufacturing Company, nearby Shanghai, is a professional factory specially manufacturing EDM CNC wire cutting machine, electrical discharge die sinker machine, EDM small hole drilling machine, and graphite cutting machine. We are the leading company in the EDM wire cutting machine industry. With more than 30 years experience, strongly capable working team, including quick response technical department, proficient workers, fast delivery team and after-sales service team. The major products include middle-speed multi-cutting machine DK77M series with 0.005 mm cutting accuracy and supreme surface roughness. Various kind of high-speed wire cutting machine DK77 series with different technical setting for choice. EDM small hole drilling machine and CNC abrasive sand line cutting machine for cutting graphite, ceramics, and jade materials. All of our machines are authenticated with CE, supporting customization from our clients, such as color, company logo, different function. The experienced working team, scientific management, and the cooperation with Research Institute of Colleges make the quality of our machine tools stable and endurable, which could satisfy the high precision machining of every kind of molds and machinery spare parts. We offer lifetime maintenance service, technical training, and after-sales service for all our customers. And we have been establishing good cooperation relationship with distributors all around the world and have been exporting to more than 30 countries. Welcome to contact us for more details.